Rain sneaking into your RAV4 during a peaceful drive? It happens more than you think, and most drivers never fix it right. Today, I'll reveal the top 5 rain guards for your Toyota RAV4 that actually work. Welcome to the channel. Check the description links to grab the perfect fit easily. Product number 1. Most drivers don't realize that a slightly open window during rain can quietly ruin your car's interior over time, until it happens. Now picture your Toyota RAV4 on a stormy day. You want fresh air, but water sneaks in. That's the frustration these autoclover tape-on rain guards eliminate. First impression: sleek, smoked finish. They blend into the RAV4's lines instead of looking like an add-on. Installation? Simple. No drilling, just a clean tape-on fit that feels secure and intentional. On the road, the difference is immediate. Windows crack open. Air flows. Rain stays out. Even highway wind noise stays surprisingly low. For anyone searching for the best rain guards for Toyota RAV4, this set strikes a balance between style and everyday practicality. Downside? Tape adhesion depends on proper surface prep. Rush it, and longevity suffers. Compared to bulkier in-channel visors, these feel lighter and less intrusive, though slightly less rugged. Ideal for daily commuters, road trippers, and anyone tired of choosing between airflow and dry interiors. Because sometimes, small upgrades quietly change every drive. Product number 2. Rain sneaks in where you least expect it, right through that barely cracked window on a cloudy drive. That's the everyday frustration these 6 pieces window rain guards for Toyota RAV4, 2019 to 2025, quietly eliminate. First impression? Sleek. Low-profile design blends smoothly with your RAV4, not bulky or distracting. Now the real-life win. You can keep windows slightly open during rain. Fresh air flows in. No water drips. No foggy glass. No stuffy cabin. Installation feels effortless. Tape-on fit. No drilling. Just align, press, and you're set. Compared to thicker, high visor styles, these feel more refined, but slightly less aggressive in blocking heavy crosswinds. That's the trade-off. Durability holds up well in daily use. Car washes, heat, and dust, no peeling if installed right. Who should buy this? RAV4 drivers who value comfort, airflow, and a clean exterior look. In a world of small upgrades, this one quietly changes every drive, and you'll notice it most when the rain starts falling. Product number 3. Rain doesn't knock, it sneaks in through the tiniest gap, turning peaceful drives into damp, uncomfortable moments. That's the problem most RAV4 owners quietly deal with. Now, imagine cracking your window open during a storm. And nothing gets inside. These window visors rain guards for Toyota RAV4, 2019 to 2025, feel like a subtle upgrade, but they change everything. Installation is simple. The fit? Clean, factory-like. Once on, airflow improves instantly, no more foggy windows or stale cabin air. Here's where it gets interesting. Compared to cheaper, universal vent shades, these are tailored. That means better sealing, less wind noise, and a sleeker profile. If you've been searching for the best rain guards for Toyota RAV4, this kind of precision matters. There are trade-offs. Adhesive quality depends on proper installation, and extreme heat may require extra care. Still, for daily drivers, commuters, and road trip lovers, the relief is real. Because sometimes, the smallest upgrade quietly fixes the most annoying part of your drive. Product number 4. Rain sneaks in faster than you think, one cracked window, and suddenly your calm drive turns messy. Now picture this. A light drizzle outside. Fresh air inside. No water dripping on your arm. That's where the Goodyear shatterproof in-channel window deflectors step in. Designed for the Toyota RAV4 2019 to 2025, these visors sit snugly inside the window channel. No bulky look. No awkward fit. Just a clean, Factory style finish that feels right from day one. Daily struggle? Foggy windows. Stale cabin air. That annoying whistle at highway speeds. These rain guards quietly fix it. You crack the window. Air flows. Rain stays out. Simple. What stands out is the shatterproof durability. They feel solid, not flimsy like cheaper alternatives. Compared to stick-on visors, these look more refined, but installation can take a bit more patience. Perfect for RAV4 owners who drive in changing weather and value comfort without sacrificing style. Small upgrade. Big difference. Because sometimes, the quietest improvements change how every drive feels. Product number 5. Rain doesn't just fall, it sneaks in, ruining that perfect drive you didn't know you were protecting. If you drive a RAV4 daily, you already know the struggle. Crack the window for fresh air, and suddenly rainwater finds its way inside. Annoying. Distracting. Sometimes unavoidable. Now here's where the Vorn glass tape on rain guards quietly change the experience. Installation feels almost too easy. Strong adhesive. Clean fit. No tools. Within minutes, your Toyota RAV4 gains a sleek, factory-like upgrade. On the road, the difference is immediate. Windows slightly open. Air flowing. Rain blocked. Even wind noise stays surprisingly low compared to bulkier visors. What stands out? Durability. These guards feel solid, not flimsy like cheaper alternatives. That matters over time. But it's not perfect. Tape on designs demand careful alignment. One mistake, and repositioning isn't forgiving. Compared to in-channel deflectors, these offer quicker setup but slightly less integrated styling. Ideal for commuters, road trippers, and anyone tired of weather interruptions. Sometimes, the smallest upgrade quietly fixes the biggest everyday irritation.